Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Witt here. So today I'm going to be doing the experiment for your day 4, your Thursday activity. Okay, so make sure you watch this before you do, and if you try to do the activity. So you can do this at home if you want to as well, but I have done it for you, so you do not have to. So yesterday you looked at the differences between these two playgrounds, okay, and you should have seen that there's a difference in that Carver has lids on the trash cans and Woodland does not. So I have 2 cups set up, okay, that represent that. You also should have noticed that one of them has a water fountain and the other does not. So I have that set up as well. And one has a dark surface and the other has a light surface. That's these. And then one has gravel and one has like a clay surface. So that's this, okay? So I've set them all up. They're ready to go. We're gonna do our test. And then you guys can do your results on the paper. The next slide, it looks like this, okay? So this is what you guys have at home and what you're seeing. And as you can see, this one represents the garbage can with and without the lid, okay? And I've set up a similar cup just like this. This one represents the water fountain and no water fountain. And then we've got the light, pale, and dark surface. And then we've got the gravel and the clay, okay? Now, when I fill up these cups, I'm gonna make sure I have the same amount of water. So I've got my measuring tool here, okay? And I've got my rain cup, okay? And I'm gonna make sure I give the same amount of water, and you guys are gonna draw a line wherever the cup ends with water, okay? So that's your job today. Okay, here we go on our experiment. So I've got, let me change this to stop sharing. Okay, so now I've got 1 cup with a garbage can with a lid on it and 1 cup with no lid on it, okay? Let's go ahead and set both those in the cups. Remember, these are just models for to represent the playgrounds because we can't really go to the playground and try to make it flood there, okay? So I'm going to get the exact same amount of water in my cups, ready to go. And I'm gonna make it rain. Here we go, ready? This one is the one with no trash can lids. Shake the cup a little, make it rain. All right. Guess that's all that's gonna come out. Okay, and I fill my cup back up, make sure I have enough. Okay, and this time I put it over the one with the garbage can. Okay, I'm making it rain. Uh-oh, my trash can fell over. Okay. Well, my trash can wants to float. It's okay though. All right, now I'm going to show you these, okay, so you can draw where the line is. Okay, I'm going to show them to you. As you can see, there is a little bit more water in the cup with the trash cans that have lids, but not a lot more, okay? That was our first test. Let's get ready for our next one. This test has this one has a water fountain on the bottom, and this one does not. Okay, let's get ready for our test. Let me back these up so you can see them. Get the right amount of water. All right, here is the first one. Okay, I'm going to let that keep raining as I get the next one ready. Okay. Here we go. Like I said, you can do this at home if you would like to, but you are not required to. Okay. So let me show you these. Okay, as you can see, they have a pretty similar height. I'd call these pretty even when you're drawing your lines. Okay, now next experiment we have is our two different colors. I have our pale surface and our dark surface. Okay, let's put those down and see if that makes a difference in our flooding. Okay. All right, here's our first one. We're going with the pale surface first. Okay, I'm going to let that keep raining, and I'm going to fill the next one up. Okay. And here's our dark surface. Let's see if this makes any difference in our flooding. All righty, let's see what happened here. All right, as you can see, they are both equal. They are equal. And our last experiment, we've got gravel in one cup and we've got clay in the other. Let's get this set up and ready to go. All right, we're going to do our gravel first. Okay, it's raining in the gravel. Trying to make sure my water is equal in both. Okay, now let's get ready. I'm going to make it rain over the clay. Make sure all that's out. Okay, now let's look. Okay, if you can see that, the gravel is a lot lower than the clay. Okay, so when you draw your lines, you're going to make your line for the clay a lot higher than the gravel. Okay, and that was your experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you guys next time.